Documents are incredibly important for businesses, students, and professionals. Sometimes having a Word document is not enough, and copy-pasting a PDF's content won't work. To send over a compact and organized file, here's how to link a PDF file on your Word document. Open your document in Microsoft Word, then navigate your cursor to the part where you want the PDF to be inserted. Next, click Insert from the options above, then click Object. From the Object window, head over to the Create from File tab, then click on Browse to select the PDF that you want to attach. Keep the Link to File box unchecked, and make sure that the Display as Icon option is checked. If you want, you may change the icon by clicking the Change Icon button. Once you're done, click on OK. Now you will see the PDF embedded on your Word document, and you can send it as one file. If you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe to watch other guides for all sorts of technology. And check out all these other videos that we think you'll enjoy.